Why are data science and machine learning very popular today? Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full-time data scientist and AI expert from scratch, then you are in the right place. It's a fact that across industries, data science and machine learning are the buzzwords in 2021. The excitement has certainly resulted in a shift in the mindset of countless youngsters. And in the time of coronavirus, many people are busy reinventing their careers. Even people who are employed in recession-proof industries such as healthcare, food and beverage, and transportation are thinking of switching careers. Everyone is looking for new opportunities. This extended crisis has compelled people to look at the simplest ways in which they can become data scientists. I'll discuss 3 major reasons why data science and machine learning are very popular today. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Oil was the fuel of the 20th century. Data is the fuel of the 21st century. Oil was considered to be the black gold during the last century. Oil was the number 1 driver of human civilization for several decades, and the emergence of the automobile industry drove up the demand for oil to dizzying heights. However, oil has gradually lost its sheen over the last 2 decades. The reason for this is many industries are opting for alternative renewable sources of energy, such as solar energy, wind energy, and hydro energy. Fast forward to 2021. We are in the midst of the 4th Industrial Revolution, or 4IR, today. The 4IR is essentially a fusion of advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, genetic engineering, the Internet of Things, IoT, robotics, quantum computing, data science, machine learning, and more. This latest industrial revolution has effectively blurred the boundaries between the digital, biological, and physical worlds. Data is the new driving force behind every industry today. The truth is, even automobile industries use data to impart autonomy and enhance the safety of their vehicles. Every industry is looking to create powerful solutions by exploiting the best features of data integration. Data science is the electricity that drives the industries of today. That's the reason data science is so popular. Every industry needs data to improve its performance and become even better. Data helps businesses grow and present their customers with better products and services. Number 2. The field of machine learning has matured a lot right through the 2000s and 2010s. You are aware that data is increasing exponentially today. As a result, there's tremendous growth in the data that's being collected and stored. This certainly is the age of information overload. Data is the currency of people's digital lives. The average person is bombarded with information via emails, social network sites, podcasts, blogs, and RSS, and keeping up with all this barrage of information is a huge task. The concern of missing out on useful content are, therefore, very real, and it's difficult to find and keep track of the best content all the time. This is where machine learning makes a decisive difference. Machine learning methods present you with the right tools that locate and suggest the most relevant content. These tools help you to overcome information overload. And the good news is the machine learning field has undergone a sea of change in the last few years. Machine learning essentially teaches computers to learn on their own without explicit programming. So when a computer is fed new data, it learns, grows, changes, and develops by itself. Machine learning is very popular today because computation speeds are high and the cost of computation is pretty low. Abundant and cost-effective computation continues to drive the increase in data collection, as well as the increase in the capability of machine learning methods. As a new technology, machine learning is gaining in popularity because it helps analyze enormous chunks of data fast. The routine workplace tasks of data scientists have been eased considerably as this automated process continues to gain prominence and recognition. Machines can be trained to make high-value predictions, and these predictions guide better decisions as well as smart actions without human intervention. Number 3. The demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers is high. A report from Indeed reveals that data scientists and machine learning engineers are among the most in-demand job designations in artificial intelligence. The other positive news is vacancies in the artificial intelligence sector have been on the higher side over the last 3 years. Data scientists and machine learning engineers are also the 2 hottest jobs in the market right now, and the reason is easy to see. With the generation of 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day, Organizing this humongous data is an enormous task. So, a professional who is capable of organizing this data and providing business solutions is going to be highly valued and in great demand. Data science and machine learning are highly popular fields because the vast talent pool in the IT sector has set their eyes on these career paths as they are the right avenue for lucrative paychecks. We have not yet reached the stage where machines are capable of taking over our daily life, so we are a long way from total automation and smart devices replacing humans. This only means that these two fields are going to remain popular for several years in the future. Also, the increased need for emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creativity in both these fields make them popular choices for today's youngsters. If you're interested in learning more about starting a data science career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.